Hey everyone, back for another follow-up video. We are still working on standard G1, which is just area. And right now we're going to do a quick little follow-up video on this activity. So it's called triangle missing side example, finding missing length. And the exercise is called find missing length when given area. So again, it's not too tricky as long as you understand the formula for the area of a triangle. So um, basically what he's going to do is he's going to show you how to substitute using the formula. You're going to be given the area and you're going to be given either the base or the height. And you have to go ahead and calculate whatever is missing. So I got a perfect example for you right here of what you're going to see on this exercise. This problem right here, I purposely didn't set it just yet because I want to show you something. So you might see a problem that looks like this. It says the triangle shown below has an area of 40 units. Find the missing side. Okay, so as you can see, we've got what kind of looks like an upside down triangle. I mean, obviously it's not sitting on its base, but you can see right up here that this distance right here, x, could represent its base. If this distance right here, x, represents its base, then what would be its height? Well, to show you, I can kind of just take this triangle right here and I can just rotate it. I know that kind of makes the print upside down, but who cares? Okay, this is just a different way to look at this triangle. Now, if I go ahead and place that image, now we've got something that makes a little more sense, okay? So we've got our base right here, which again is x. We don't know what that length is. That's what we're being asked to find. And again, here is the height, okay? Not to be confused with this 9 right here. 8 is our height, okay? So do I care about this 9? No, actually, I really don't. I don't care at all, okay? So do not allow yourself to be fooled like that. All right, so let's just take it over here. Let's just do the formula. We know that the formula for the area of a triangle is going to be 1/2 the base times the height. Okay, let's substitute for what we know. Let me go ahead and use green. Look, we're told down here in the problem that the area is 40. So instead of using A, let's just go ahead and substitute that for 40 because we are given that. We can say 40 equals half. And again, we don't know the base. That's what we're being asked to solve. So I'm going to go ahead and just put a B right there. And I'll go ahead and put times height. And in this case, I almost put an H. My bad. I'm going to substitute an 8. Okay? So really all we need to do now is do what we've been doing for the past week and a half, and that's isolating the variable. I need to get this B alone all by itself, and the first step to do that is to divide this whole side of the equation by 8, and I divide this whole side of the equation by 8. Okay, when you do that, this goes away or cancels out, and 40 divided by 8 is 5. So we would just say that 5 equals half. And I don't know why I'm using B. I probably should be using X. My bad. Well, BX, it is what it is. Okay, you know, it's an unknown, right? It's an unknown. So from there, I'm actually not going to finish it for you. I want to see if you can figure it out. Okay, 5 equals half the base. So think about that. 5 equals half the base. Whatever this number is, cut in half is 5. We should be able to figure that one out. Okay. Hopefully you can do okay on these exercises. Again, just start with the formula. Always start with the formula. Substitute and solve. And if your answer doesn't make sense, you might have made a math error. It's okay. Go back and fix it. It's not a big deal. Okay, I believe you have, let's see how many questions are in that exercise. 4. Okay, so you can do this. 4 exercises. show your work on your scratch paper. And again, these are quick little two-step problems. You can do it. Call me if you can't. Let me know. I'll help you. Bye.